Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I make some different videos from my regular videos. In this video I will going to teach you that how to make a lesson plan for subject economics for class 12th. There is a very less video available in the YouTube for the person who want to make lesson plan for the class 12 for the B.Ed aspirant, and I'm going to share few of my videos of class 12. Mm, so that's my lesson plan. I belong to KKTC college. The thing is that it was covered by paper because I want to protect it. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. This is our lesson plan. So firstly, Pathikran Kam Sankhya, it means the number of your lesson plan is 16. Date, day you mention here. Vishay means subject economics. Prakaran, it means topic BOP. And Vishisht Adesh, just leave it. Vishwavidyalaya, it means school name. So my school name was +2 High School Govindpur. Class 12, it means it was for lesson plan for the class 12. Kalansh, it means period, fifth period. And Samay Avdhi, it means duration, 40 minutes. Now after that we came to general objective. General objective, to create interest in the economics, to create scientific attitude towards subject economics, to understand national economic problem in economics, to create international relationship for the subject economics, to a specific objective, to ascertain knowledge regarding various measuring processes of BOP, getting apprehension in the theory, to provide depth and complete knowledge about the country interdependency to each other, creation of interest in the theory. Creation of interest in the theory that how different skill data information needs to make BOP. Therefore, it is a comprehensive task. ये एन लिखा गया which is wrong. A होगा. Creation of skill in the theory. Students will be ascertain skill to aware the country relationship to another country in terms of economic transaction. Auxiliary ingredients means sahayak samagri: chalk, duster, blackboard, white rolling board, marker, pointer and chart paper. Previous knowledge, student not aware about the topic. मतलब ये this topic is fresh, so it can be assumed that the people apart from the commerce background are not awareing about the topic BOP. As you know that the economic is a versatile subject, it is applied in both the in three streams, that is science, commerce, arts. So it is not it's a non-common topic which is not which a student can't be learned in previous classes, so it's a fresh topic. So that's why I had written that students not aware about the topic. Now introduction question. In this page we should have to make introduction question. ठीक है. Teacher activity, and here is pupil activity. Teacher activity, teacher were asking what we called in economics term the process of export. X is denoted as export and M is denoted as import. Export and imports of goods and services from one country to another country. So student was replying that it was called globalization because this topic globalization student has had read in class 11. Now then another questions. In our process, by adding two terms, first is resident of a country and another country. First is resident of a country and another country. Second is adding statements. Do you know what the process called? मतलब ये कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो above जो definition है उस पे बस दो लाइन ऐड करने पे the adding of residents and as well as a relationship with other country, तो ये प्रोसेस क्या हो जाएगा? what the whole the process was what called, क्या कहा जाएगा? The student was silent. Students didn't aware about the topic. तो teacher was replying that the process called BOP. The student was listening. पर्पस स्टेटमेंट, तो हमारा क्या उद्देश्य है अभी? सो वी प्रोसीड, हम लोग को अपना टॉपिक को प्रोसीड करना है, आगे बढ़ाना है इन टुडे क्लास BOP. ठीक है, and this is the main format you guys. this is LHS side and this is RHS side. Okay, so in LHS we have to make 3 column and 3 column in RHS. So in LHS, first is teaching points, another is teacher pupil activity, and third is pupil activity, and there is method and teaching aids, and then blackboard work, and then evaluation. Okay, so then with the first step is to developing question here. So first question, selling of goods to another country, it is known as export. Teacher was asking and the student was replying export. And the other, purchasing of the goods to from other country, it is known as import. It should be written from, it was wrong, just rectify it. Third, what is BOP? Problematic questions, it means students are not aware the answer. So let us explanation here. BOP, it is an accounting statement which provides systematic record of all the economic transaction between resident of a country and the rest of world. ठीक है, तो ये क्या आप लोगों को ये चैप्टर पढ़ना है तो फिर आप यू कैन गो विथ यूट्यूब और थ्रू योर बुक्स, बट आई कैन नॉट डिफाइन बिकॉज आई हैव अ लिमिटेड टाइम, आई हैव टू मेक द लेसन प्लान. ठीक है, एंड देन व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज मेंशन दैट अ रेसिडेंट. सो रेसिडेंट क्या होते हैं? रेसिडेंट होते हैं इंक्लूड द मेंबर ऑफ एनी वन कंट्री. मेंबर भी हो सकते हैं और गवर्नमेंट भी हो सकते हैं, इट इज़ गवर्नमेंट भी हो सकते हैं, मेंबर भी हो सकते हैं, फर्म भी हो सकते हैं, कोई भी हो सकता है. इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन क्या हुआ? The transaction which involve the transfer of title of ownership of goods and services. GNS stand for goods and services, money and assets between two country and more countries or residents of the world. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है, आप लोग ये चैप्टर पढ़ लीजिए क्योंकि एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड वर्क में बच्चों को समझाया है ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ ओनरशिप का मतलब इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजेक्शन मतलब ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ ओनरशिप, टाइटल, मनी या फिर एसेट्स. ठीक है, इसको कहते हैं economic transaction. In other words, BOP is just like a book which record economic transaction between residents of a country and rest of the world. The next page, the next topic is, first point is categories of economic transaction. So categories of economic transaction was divided into 4 parts. ठीक है, one by one we go through it. So first is a visible trade, or it can also called visible item. It includes the value of the goods of the value of the export and import of the physical goods. The entries of these items are duly reported on the custom barriers that can be seen and touched. Okay, and the blackboard work, custom barriers. What is the meaning of custom barriers? Any implementation of fees, rules or regulation design with the intention to limit the international trade. It means that restriction can come in the form of tariff, levies, duty, trade, embargoes and even currency manipulation. ठीक है, तो visible goods का item है, some item I mention in the form of chart paper, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, we had written it in TLM, in auxiliary ingredients chart paper, so we have to mention some chart papers here. So I draw some of the example of visible trade, and then is invisible trade. It includes the value of export and import of intangible goods and services. ठीक है, तो intangible goods क्या अब ब्लैक बोर्ड में बच्चों को समझाएंगे. दैट कैन बी टच. It include all the type of service including shipping, banking, tourism, investments, something like that. उसके बाद another is capital transfer. It includes it is related with the capital receipts and capital payments, example loan, FDI, and some other example is foreign investment, official reserve transactions, borrowing machine, etc. ठीक है, और इधर जस्ट जहाँ पे ये invisible items है, I just mentioned some of the example of invisible item just like a shipping, tourism. ठीक है, something, all these are represented, the tourism effect, shipping, here is the shipping effect. तो बहुत कुछ है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, देयर इज़ अ लॉट्स ऑफ सर्विसेज यू कैन फाइंड इन योर बुक. एंड यहाँ पे मैंने कैटेगरीज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन को 4 पार्ट जो है हमारा इसमें लिख दिया है। और यहाँ पे जहाँ इवैल्यूएशन है, इवैल्यूएशन में हमें क्वेश्चंस लिखना होगा। तो पहले हम फर्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट पेज का इवैल्यूएशन था, जो ये कंटेंट था। पहले था व्हाट इज़ बीओपी, सेकंड इज़ व्हाट इज़ इकोनॉमिक स्टेटमेंट, sorry, accounting statement, sorry, what, and third is what is economic transaction, fourth is BOP is divided into how many categories, question mark. I have a writing issue, तो प्लीज़ मैनेज कर लेना। फिजिकल गुड्स इंक्लूड इन विच कैटेगरीज, कौन सी कैटेगरीज में फिजिकल गुड्स रहते हैं। गिफ्ट्स ग्रांट्स इंक्लूड इन विच कैटेगरीज, ठीक है। एंड लास्ट इज आवर क्लास इंस्पेक्शन टास्क, कि हम क्लास को कैसे इंस्पेक्ट करते हैं। तो पहले क्लास इंस्पेक्शन में हम लोग यूजिंग असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग अप्रोचेस करते हैं। ये आपने सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा होगा। सभी रोमिंग क्लासरूम, चेकिंग नोटबुक, रिकैपिलिएशन, मतलब हम क्लास में क्या क्या, RECAPILATION, क्लास में क्या क्या हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं। तो पूछे था हम लोग जो पढ़ाते तो पूछा था कि व्हाट इज़ BOP, व्हाट इज़ अकाउंटिंग स्टेटमेंट एंड नेम ऑल द कैटेगरीज ऑफ BOP। और उसके बाद होम असाइनमेंट के बच्चों को हमने कुछ होम असाइनमेंट भी दिया था। तो मैंने लिखा है मैच द फॉलोइंग, और फिर ये आइटम्स है।